Beautiful. So we are just on the way to understand the Navagrahas. Now a question comes to you, why at all the Navagrahas came into being? Actually, for all these Navagrahas, you must observe there are 3 mantras to each graha, so there are 27 mantras. So there is that if at all any extra mantra is added, it is all in the interpolation. So there are 3 grahas, and thereby 27 sloka mantras are there. And mostly, you see, the Vedic deities only are involved or reprojected through these graha deities. That is, graha actually means, as you know, catch. They go and catch you, attach yourself. So we are all attached. The moment we are born, a horoscope is written. And so that is a kind of attachment. That means according to their movements, their dashas, antardashas and so on, we are just having our life calendar working. That's what we see. And why these grahas is, see, the sacrifices prescribed in our Vedas are very complicated. And it is not ordinarily possible for us, for all of us to perform such large, complicated or time involving and money involving and manpower involving and all that. So people have tried to abstain or become a little negligent or indolent about the sacrifices prescribed in the Vedas. I think therefore, again, the Rishis have thought of, no, if you give to scope for people to forget the Vedic gods, it will be a hard job for them. Therefore, they have come forth by starting these grahas. And you know, we have got these 18 Jyotisha Acharyas who have been responsible to make the Vedic deities live and talked about the various permutations and combinations. Who are they? Let's recite them. Please repeat. Suryaha Pitamaho Vyaso.
Suryaha Pitamaho Vyaso.
Vasishtho Atri Parasharaha.
Vasishto Atri Parashayaha.
Parasharaha.
Vasishto Atri Parasharaha.
Kasyapo Narado Gargo.
Kasyapo Narago Gargo.
Narado Gargo.
Narado Gargo.
Marichihi Manurangiraha.
Marichihi Manurangiraha.
Paulasascha Paulasaschaiva.
Paulasascha Lomasaschaiva.
Lomasascha Paulasaschaiva.
Lomasascha Paulasaschaiva.
Chavano Yavano Bhruguhu.
Chavano Yavano Bhruguhu.
Kanako, Saunako Ashtadasaschaite.
Saunako Ashtadasaschaite.
Jyotishastra Pravartakaha.
Jyotishastra Pravartakaha.
Tebhyo Namaha.
Tebhyo Namaha.
Arogyam Pradadatu no Dinakaraha.
Arogyam Pradadatu no Dinakaraha.
Chandro Yasho Nirmalam.
Chandro Yasho Nirmalam.
Bhutim Bhumisutaha.
Bhutim Bhumisutaha.
Sudham Sutanayaha.
Udham Shutanayaha.
Pragnam Guruhu.
Prajnam Guruhu.
Gauravam.
Gauravam.
Kanyakomala Vadmilasamatulam.
Kanyakomala Vasavagvilasa
Vagvilasa.
Vagvilasa Latulam.
Mando mudam sarvada.
Mando mudam sarvada.
Rahurbahubalam.
Rahurbahubalam.
Virodhashamanam.
Nirodhashamanam.
Ketuhu kulasyonnatim.
Ketuhu kulasyonnatim.
Ketuhu kulasyonnatim.
Ketuhu kulasyonnatim.
So we have been, and that's why the rishis have been taking care to restore the Vedic practices, to restore the Vedic heritage, and people cannot completely give up the Vedas because they are the fund of information, and not only information for the head but also for our body, mind and spirit. Therefore, as we observe in Puranas, from Yajurveda itself we have got the grahas, but later on we have the prominence given. Therefore, people, if not they do any other big homas like Darsha Purnamasa or Agnihotra, or see, because these are all the 12 major sacrifices and innumerable optional rites are there prescribed in our Vedas. So innumerable optional rites, optional rite means kamyastis. There are many kamyastis because people are all having number of different desires. Everybody has got a big list of desires. So our rishis, what have done, they realized that we have to streamline, at least to give prominent one. Therefore, they have given all that in Chamaka Prashna, as you observe, Namakam and Chamakam. In Chamaka Prashna, the most of the common desires, common to all people, indifferent to color, creed, caste, etc. All that has been enlisted, and just to put in a formula, Yagnena Kalpantam. See, how do they grow? How do they become prosperous to you? You have to effort. Nothing without effort will be possible. That's why Nakopi Tishtati Akarma Krutu. Kurvannevehe Karmani. So it is said that you have to be doing, and what you have been doing or you have to be doing is what is called as yajna. And therefore, our rishis have given us in the form of 9 planets, 3 sloka, 3 mantras out of the immense Vedarasi. That's how the Navagrahas came into the existence. Not only they have come into existence, but they are operative. Even unless you do some Vedic sacrifice, the Agni, Surya, Vayu, Indra, and all these gods are not at all remembered. You only remember Puranic deities, and you go with that. But Agni, the Vedic deities are again reappearing. After all, they are also having lot of eminence and also manifestating powers. Something like Avatara or Amsha, these are the 2 points we talk about. Amsha Avatara or Avatara itself. So Amshas are there. Shiva is giving us Amshas and Vishnu Avataras. Whatever it is, but they are reborn. Because, see, and moreover, Shivalinga, say for example, they make Alankara to Shivalinga, Mahakala Kshetra, that Mahakala, they just make Ganapati face to Shivalinga in Alankara, and they say Ganesha is Shiva and Shiva is Ganesha. That means the Paramatma is again remanifesting with different names, different qualities, and different functions, and different all that. But that variety makes us get attached to that. And moreover, we are always having hope for happiness, desire for happiness, and we want happiness to happen. That's why, who is that great God who can give us that happiness is a good question. And all gods are capable, but only we have to have a good selection of the gods. And we cannot be probably doing that selection very well. So what could be possible is choose some grahas who can afford to give you the focusing fulfillment of the desires. That's what I am thinking. And therefore, we have in that queue, in that line, we have the Navagrahas that we have been traveling to know something about this Shukra Graha or Bruhaspati or all these Grahas, as their names indicate that their character, their quality, their function, and their benefit nature and all that connected to humanity. And not only the humanity, but also all the creatures, all the existent things in the nature, Prakriti. So Prakriti also is to be taken care, and therefore if anybody performs Navagraha Home or Navagraha Japa or Navagraha Parayana, it is very much benefit and quick. The Vedic gods are not as energetic and active as Grahas. That's what we understand. You may make a lot of prayers to Vishnu or Shiva or all these gods. They will be little waiting. You may do Satyanarayana Vratam. One time doing may not be satisfying to him. If you do a number of times, then your desires get fulfilled. We have a number of illustrations. That means these are all the slow gods, but they give a holistic relief, otherwise called permanent relief. Sri Shankaracharya has told us, Shudra Phaladaha Devaha Ativa Santi. Either in Devi Aparada Stotra or in Saundarya Lahari or in Sivananda Lahari, and at all places, all gods say that there are many gods who give you quick results. But those quick results do not be long living, and you have to come back again. But we want not that kind of coming back. We want, once only we want to go away. Something like Anjaneya. You know, Anjaneya has taken his personal effort, a ticket to Lanka, making himself as aircraft, Hanuman. So the flight experience. But on his return, Anjaneya had not any such trouble. Happily he returned to Ayodhya, or before that Nandigrama, or even before so Sugriva's place, Kishkinda, on aircraft. But because he is a dasa, he cannot afford to enjoy luxury for a long time. Afterwards, the service people have got to be given to some other work. Therefore, Anjaneya enjoyed real Pushpavimana ride only for some distance, and then he was asked to go to meet Bharata beforehand as a pilot force and make Bharata stop from Pravesha, Agni Pravesha and all that. That's how Ravana. So my point here is these Navagrahas are Phaladaha, Chipra Phaladaha. They're all, if you do Navagraha Homa, it is like giving an intravenous injection. So it directly enters into the blood and gives the energy. That's why Kuja, for example, Kuja Graha is called Angaraka Graha. You know, Kuja is said to be Angaraka because the Ku and Ja is Bhumi, Earth. Ku is, Ja is birth, and so this Kuja means that he has got connection to earth because he is born upon the land. And he is also called, Kuja is Agni. Angaraka he is called, Kuja is called Angaraka. Angaraka means fire, activity. And Bhumi is Kuja because he has all the qualities of Bhumi, giving you all kinds of desire fulfillment like earth, and also taking care of that. So there are 3 mantras to Kuja where you have seen that he is the controller of the lands, landed property, etc., property-wise. At the same time, the blood part of the body. You know, blood is Paramatma in our body, constantly flowing, constantly remaining pure. Whenever it goes to pure, it goes to Paramatma, the heart gets himself, because whatever little blood is there, 6 liters or 5 liters, whatever it is, that blood only we have got to live with for 120 years. You can't receive fresh blood or anything like that. So therefore, Kuja Graha is important. And Buddha Graha is important because we must have the awakenedness. Gnanacharya Dhimahi. Buddha is taken as a Gnanacharya. Acharya means not only it teaches Gnana and demonstrate how that Gnana could be employed. Otherwise, it is called as Gnanam Vijnana Sahitam. Knowledge with application of knowledge, then only it is a complete knowledge. By just knowing the theory, you will not be full. You will have to go to laboratory to verify what theory you have learned. And Buddha is like that. And the mantras are also according to that. When you come to Brihaspati, he is called Jiva. Another name for Brihaspati is Jiva. Jiva means the very life. He is a great Lord. And he is the controlling all aspects of knowledge. And therefore, he is called as Guru. Gu is Agnana, Ru is Nashakaha. It is like Rudra. Guru and Rudra. You see, Ru for Rudra becomes at the beginning. And Dra is next. But Gu, the Agnana is first. That means Rudra and Guru. Both are sharing their power. I mean, they are representative that they will be able to remove the Agnana, Buddhi Prachodakas. See, of all the mantras of our Veda, how many mantras are there in Rig Veda? 10,028 mantras are there. One should not run away from Rig Veda looking at the number. No. We have always the selection and a choice. So among all that, we are introduced to Gayatri Mantra, and that Gayatri meter became so important that every god has got a Gayatri. So Gayatri is a meter with a short form through which the Aradhana, the Upasana, the Japa, etc. of the respective deities take place. So Brihaspati means Guru. Gu is Agnana, Ru is Rundhana. But here, when you talk about Rudra, Ru is that Rodana, and Dra is Dravan. That is Rodanam, Dravayati, Yaha Saha, Rudraha. And Agnanam, Rundhati, Yaha Saha, Guru. So that's why that's why he has been assigned his name as Brihaspati. Therefore, Brihaspate, Ati Adaryo Arahat. That's how we begin our prayer too. And also Brahma Jajnanam Prathamam Purastat. So, Purastat Prathamam Yaha Brahma Jagnanam. The Gnanam, the knowledge that has come up from Brahmadeva, has not remained like that. When you come to Shukra Graha, we understood that, I'm not going to explain, I've already covered. So, Shukra, I told you, heat. Agni, Kuja is heat, Shukra is heat. That's why the heat is the running strength or theme in all these grahas. So Shukra means pure. Nobody can defile Agni. Nobody can defile Surya Bhagavan. Nobody can defile the mother's milk. Nobody can defile the well water. So there are certain normal, natural, general, constant, eternal, pure things also in the nature which do not get nirmalya dosha. You know, a flower has got 24 hours of freshness. The next day you have to remove the flower offered to the god. But Tulasi has got 3 days. You can recycle or reuse Tulasi for 3 days. But Bilva Patram for 7 days. Like that, that kind of purity is very much limited. But in case of Sukragraha, he is pure, elegant, bright, hot, and energetic and active. And because of these things, he is connected to many, many luxurious things also. If at all you have got a beautiful house, beautiful furniture, wonderful wife or children, etc., all that is Sukra Anugraha. So if Sukra is, and you have got a rich clothes, that's why Sumbastram De Sukraya Swaha. So if you can wear luxurious silken garments if you are being blessed by Sukragraha, and if you are very much blessed by Brihaspati, you can wear wonderful cotton dress, very much useful. Cotton you can wear more time on our body compared to the silken garments. And you all know that. That's what we say, on silken garments you wear sparingly, but cotton dress always. That too, the best cotton we call Egyptian cotton. See, the dress prepared out of the Egyptian cotton is supposed to be the best one. Like that, the Sukragraha is meant for the luxury, Alankara, Srungara, etc. At the same time, he will also make everybody turn towards bad habits and get themselves lost. Therefore, we have to be getting the positive vibrations from the Sukragraha, and the mantras are accordingly styled. There are not also many such things for Sukragraha. Then we come to the Shani. And what is the Shani? Just we have been knowing that Shani Graha is called Manda. Other name for Shani is called Manda. And again, another name for this Shani is Shanaischaraha. Yaha charati Shanaihi Shanaihi. I hope you are taking down notes also. Shanaihi Shanaihi Yaha charati Saha. That means slow and steady, we always are told, wins the game, like tortoise. So Shani is a very most powerful planet who can make you Maharaja, because he became a Maharaja and he can give you a job. If your Shani in your horoscope is well placed, he will give you Sham. When you are Sham, if you have got a job with the stamp, seal and authority, and also authority to sign very, very heavy checks also officially. So that means you will be also a rich fellow if Shani Anugraha is there. And it's called Manda Shanaischara. And also another point is that this planet is known for Sannidhati or Sham Nivarayati iti Shankara. Shani ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಶನಿ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈತೀರಿ. ಶನಿ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶಂ ನಿವಾರಯತಿ iti ಶನಿ. Because Shani has got that characteristic also in him, we have to be more cautious, more careful in order to avoid his ire, anger, wrath, and etc. So we have to be making prayer. So the very opening mantra of the Shanigraha is Sham Agnihi. So Agnihi, Shaniswara, though he is Manda, but he can affect for a long time. Everybody is bothered about Sadhe Saat and 7.5 years. He will be there. And Sadhe Saat means that some people put that like, no, it is not like that. If you are really attentive to the Surya Bhagavan, Shiva, Anjaneya, well, these are all the people who have taken the grace and cooperation and friendship with the. Therefore, if you make prayer to Hanuman, if you make prayer to Shiva, Rudra, then Shani will be very much happy. When he is happy, our problem solved, because he will not interfere, impede the possibilities. That's why you understand, don't think that all planets are good, all gods are good. No, gods are also killers. Vasan, you should make a control. If I say gods are killers, you are unhappy. But when you read Arana Prashna, probably must have told you, there are 4 killers, very well known. Every day they are operating on us. Surya, Chandra, Agni, and Vayu. So these 4 people are killing us every day. But they're killing us, we don't know. Therefore, but we think that they're all good people. No, God is good. All are killers only. Anyway, so he is called as whatever good, he will try to anuvarayati. And so, and one other thing is a Prajapati. Shani, you understand, is a Prajapati. That is, he takes the responsibility of maintaining people. If Shani Graha is very good with us, we never lose our job. we keep on getting promotions, promotions and promotions. And so the Shani, you don't know what kind of benefic the things that he will do for us. So the Nigraha is very much important. And so we are very much happy about him. And another point is Shani Anugraha is important because he is connected with the Yama also. You know, Yama, Shani, Surya, well, they're all connected. And therefore, if Shanigraha, Anugraha is there, he will be connected to Pitru Devatas and Yama Devata. And so he will be a linkage or a liaison officer between Pitrus and Yama, and which is most important thing. Therefore, we ask to that to Havsha Madayasva. So now these are all the important information which I want to give you to know that Shanigraha or any graha, we are not at all afraid. Some people say, no, you don't keep the Navagraha photograph in your house. Don't go to Navagraha. All kinds of taboos. People say, no, it all depends upon our mind, attitude. No God is harmful. No God is harm remover. No, everybody. But depending upon a number of factors, we are all blessed. Therefore, in Navagraha Sukta, almost we are coming to the end of it. Then once we come, we go to the next one. But today, let's talk about the Shanigraha. Please repeat. Yeah. Om Shanno Devi.
Om Shanno Devi.
2 times.
Om Shanno Devi.
Abhishtaya Apo Bhavantu.
Abhishtaya Apo Bhavantu. Abhishtaya Apo Bhavantu.
Pitaye.
Pitaye. Pitaye.
Shayyorabhisravantu naha.
Shayyorabhisravantu naha. Shayyorabhisravantu naha.
Shamagniragnibiskaraschannaha.
Shamagniragnibiskaraschannaha. Shamagniragnibiskaraschannaha.
Tapatu suryaha.
Tapatu suryaha. Tapatu suryaha.
Shamvato va.
Shamvato va. Shamvato va.
Tvarapa apasridhaha.
Tvarapa apasridhaha. Tvarapa apasridhaha.
Prajapatena tvadetan.
Prajapatena tvadetan. Prajapatena tvadetan.
Anyo vishvajatani.
Anyo vishvajatani. Anyo vishvajatani.
Parita babhuva.
Parita babhuva. Parita babhuva.
Yakkamaste juhumastanno astu.
Yatkamaste juhumastanno astu. Yatkamaste juhumastanno astu.
Vayaggum syama patayorayinam.
Vayaggum syama patayorayinam. Vayaggasyama patayorayinam.
Imam yamaprastaramahi.
Imam yama prastaramahi. Imam yama prastaramahi.
Sidangirobhihi.
Sidangirobhihi. Sidangirobhihi.
Pitrubhis samvidanaha.
Pitrubhis samvidanaha. Pitrubhis samvidanaha.
Atva mantraha.
Atva mantraha. Atva mantraha.
Kavishastah vahantu.
Kavishastaha vadhantu. कविशस्तावहन्तु
येना राजन्
येना राजन्
हविषा मादयस्व
हविषा मादयस्व
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय शनैश्चराय नमः।
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय शनैश्चराय नमः। ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय शनैश्चराय नमः।
Om, இது ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you have not written down, write down. Om Hrim Swaha.
ॐ ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ ह्रीं स्वाहा
Am Namah Swaha.
अं नमः स्वाहा अं नमः स्वाहा
Sham Shanaishcharaya Namaha.
शं शनैश्चराय नमः शं शनैश्चराय नमः
Om Sham Shrim Hlim.
ॐ शं श्रीं ह्रीं ॐ शं श्रीं ह्रीं
Aim Aim.
ऐं ऐं
Om Sham Shrim Hlim Aim.
ॐ शं श्रीं ऐं
छायात्मनाय विद्महे नीलवर्णाय धीमहि.
छायात्मनाय विद्महे नीलवर्णाय धीमहि छायात्मनाय
विद्महे नीलवर्णाय धीमहि
विद्महे नीलवर्णाय धीमहि
तन्नः सौरिः प्रचोदयातु.
तन्नः शौरिः प्रचोदयात् तन्नः शौरिः प्रचोदयात्
So the interesting point is we do not know much about the grahas. So there are great elevated upasakas who are able to acquaint us the characteristics of grahas and the functioning of the grahas and the mahatmya of the grahas, etc., making us more and more informed of the existence, power, influence, and benefit factors of all these grahas. So, for example, Muthuswami Dikshitar has given Navagraha Kirtanas. And there are other people who have done Navagraha Stotra. Navagraha Stotras are there, Navagraha Dandakas are there. But every time you see different features of the Navagrahas are being given. Generally, those people who are not familiar with the Navagraha mantras, hard it is, they Veda, so they just think of the Navagraha Stotra. Sometimes people do Homa with Navagraha Stotra slokas and adding Omkara and Swahakara. So Stotra also becomes a formula, becomes a yajus. So whenever you add Omkara and Swahakara, anything becomes a yajus. Like that, the thing, you can always convert these powerful slokas or mantras into the yajus formulas. Therefore, here let us know, here you make, because I told you Kuja, Shani is connected to Bhulokam, also Bhudevi, and so Shanno Abhishtaya Devi Shanno Devi Abhishtaya Papo Bhavantu Pitaye Shayyo Abhisravantunah Apo Devatas. Ili Devi andre Apaha, Niru. So Abhisravantunah means flow forth. And what is that? Pitaye Cham Yaha. Cham is happiness. Cham is prosperity. So we are always moving towards that. Therefore, at first the waters have got to bless us with peace. You know, water is a healing substance, whether you are ill or well. Therefore, Devi Apaha, look at it, Abhishtaya Titaye Bhavantu, Yam Naha Bhavantu. Naha, to all of us, you be the provider of Sham. But that is not included in the Patham which I learned from my father and others. So that mantra is something new. But I am more interested in the Guru Upadesha flow. This is the mantra. Look at that. Sham, please. Once I repeat Mari. Sham Agni Ragni Bhihi.
Shamagnir Agnibihi. Shamagnir Agnibihi.
Karachannastapatu Suryaha.
Skarachannastapatu Suryaha. Skarachannastapatu Suryaha.
Shambhato va.
Shamvato va. Shamvato va.
Swarapa apasrijaha.
Tvarapa apasridhaha. Tvarapa apasridhaha.
So we are making a sham, sham, sham. And sham is shanti. Sham means happiness. And sham means material benefit. And that's why you see in Rudram, Shankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Sivataraya cha. So Om Hara Hara Namah Somaya cha. In that particular key mantra of Namakam, you say, even if you don't repeat the other Anuvakas, if you are very busy, at least pour some water upon Shivalinga just with this mantra. Because this mantra summarizes the entire power, personality, characteristics, and influence of this particular Rudra. Therefore, in this, what is the Shankaraya cha, Mayaskaraya cha? It is Shankara who gives you all material benefit, material prosperity. And what is Maya? Maya is moksha prapti. So, Shankara and Mayaskara means Shankara is not only provider of the material comfort, but also eternal emancipation. Like that, here also you have got the prayer Sham Agnihi and Agnibhihi. Sham Shani Agnibihi, Shankar Agni with Agnis. You know, there are many Agnis. That's what you find a division of the Agni found in the second names of Agni. One is called, you must write down, another is Kravyad Agni and another is Ahavaniya Agni. So these are the main three divisions of Agni. And what is that first Agni? Amad Agni means Agni who burns the flesh, who burns all those things and make you, and you use for kitchen, preparing the viands, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, all kinds of dishes you are preparing. That is which will give you food. So especially that Agni is defiled, which will burn the flesh, mutton or bodies. That is called Amad Agni. And ultimately use Agni to burn the corpses. That's why that is the ultimate utility of the Agni on the earth for people, apart from other operative utilities of Agni to us. Therefore, ultimately he is called as Amad Agni. Of course, there will be further subdivisions. Next one is called Kravyad Agni. Kravyad Agni means that particular fire used in the kitchen to prepare food for the departed fathers. ಈ ತಿಥಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಅಪರ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಗ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನರಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಅಗ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರವ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ who are preparing food for the Pitru Devatas is a special one. You all know that there is a special menu Unlike any menu that you have every day in our kitchen for your own consumption or dinner or that, the items, special items are there which you prepare for the Pitru Devatas, or 3 Pitrus will come: great-grandfather, grandfather, and father, departed, if at all. So they come, and then they come in the form of the Brahmins. And so that's a big Kriya. That's what is called Kravya Agni. And another Agni is called as Ahavaniya Agni, that's sacred fire. That's so which you use for sending our food and naivedyas or proper things to various gods. That's why Agnaya Idam Namama, Agnaya Idam Namama. You always tell that this belongs to Agni, this belongs to Chandra. Though you put that Chandra Ahuti or Surya Ahuti or Vayu Ahuti, but you always say that name and say not mine. But whom you are agency, which agency? Agni agency. Therefore, Agni Vihi Sham. So because there are number of Agnis, I hope you understood now, there are a number of Agnis. And all those Agnis, when they join with Ahavaniya Agni, the sacred fire. In fact, Nachiketa Agni, and in Kathopanishad, somebody has started teaching Kathopanishad, I think so. In Kathopanishad, the Nachiketa Vidya, that is called Agni Vidya, which Yama gives the Nachiketa directly. Our Vasana has acted, and Gopal has created one beautiful drama for our Vedarjana Kendra annual day. I don't know elsewhere they did it or not, they forgot the dialogues. There, the Divya Agni, which is found in the heaven, that Agni only Yama is made to make a prayer to Agni to accept, to go to Bhuloka, brought by the Nachiketa, because there are 3 boons given to Nachiketa in that Upanishad. First boon he called, I want to go home. I don't want to remain in your Nalakam, Yamaloka. I want to go to Bhuloka. I want to be with parents. Then Yama said, granted. And afterwards he went on offering. When he asked for the Agni, then he asked so many alternatives. But Nachiketa is a wonderful boy. He simply insisted that he must only get that Divya Agni available only in the heaven. So Yama took a lot of trouble. He educated Nachiketa, and he gave a compliment saying that this Agni which you are taking will be called as a Nachiketa Agni. Therefore, in Aruna Prashna, before that we have got Arunaketuka Agni in Aruna Prashna. So when you do Aruna Prashna, it's Arunaketuka Agni Homa. There is the Surya Bhagavan, you are able to invoke. That's why here you see that Agni Vihi Sham and Suryaha Channaha Tapatu. So actually Surya Bhagavan is the fire. Sarvohi Agni Surya. But when he wants to protect us, he cannot show his all power and eminence. Rather, he has to be very much kind and comfortable. Therefore, and Vataha Shyam Apasritaha Arapa Va. So the Vayu Devata, Vayu is the god, Vata is his energy, I think so. So that Vayu Devata, Shamno Vayu. So that Vayu Devata must also be. That means the Shani and Vayu, Shani and Agni, Shani and Surya. Well, so much of connections are there. So the moment you think of Shanigraha, you are thinking of the Vedic deities. And now you comes to ultimately, Shani is the maintainer. He is the sustainer. And therefore, he is called as Prajapati. And here you ask him, Prajapate nattu natvadetan yanyo vishvajatani paritababhuva. So paribabhuva, you please take care of protecting not only a kind of people, but also all kinds of people available in the entire globe. Because you know that Devajana, Yakshajana, Kinnarajana, Kimpurashajana, all are Ganas. So Devagana, ellaru Grahagale, ellaru Ganagale group undaitaralva. Vishwajatani, because Jata is Janma. All people are having Janma. And then only we are all called Jas, Girija, Sedaja, Vaksha, and etc. So, but who is Ja? Aja. Aja is Paramatma. Ajayamano bahudha vijayate tasya dhira parijananti yonim. You know, in one of the creation suktas, there are 3 creation suktas. Nasadiya Sukta, then we have got that Vagambhari Sukta, and again this Purusha Sukta. In Purusha Sukta, you get a glimpse of the creation and how how this creation is happening. The creator is not born because his job is only to create, but his responsibility is to take care of those whom he created. సో చెట్టు నాటినవాడు చెట్టుకు ನೀರು ಪೋಸ್ತಾಡು. ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೌ ಸಚ್ ರಿಚ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಹೂ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಮ್? ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದುರ್ಭಿಕ್ಷಂ ದೇವಲೋಕೇಶು Manunamudakam gruhe etavacha pravadanti. Aruna Prasna gives explanation that all water available in the sky, heaven, which Surya Bhagavan has gathered, will be sent to the Bhuloka. And Bhulokadalli ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ನೀರನ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. So Durbhiksham Devalokeshu. After rainy season, if you go and ask for a cup of water in any god's house, every god will say, sorry sir, don't ask me water. Go down to the earth and ask, visit any human being, they will give you water. Manuna mudakangruhe. Well, it has got a lot of symbolism, etc. So like that, here Prajapate Anyo Visvajatani. And again, Ashte Allah yen madbeku andre yatkamaste duhuma. Now ಯಾವ ಕೋರಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾರಾಯಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ I am with that, please try to fulfill our desire. And not only simply fulfill our desire, in extra plus ಏನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಯಗ್ಗುಂ ಸ್ಯಾಮ ಪತಯೋರಯೀಣಾಂ. We never want to become a pauper. So ರಯೀಣಾಂ ಪತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ rich people. Rayi andre Aishwarya. So anything in the world which is helping to us is called Aishwarya. Therefore, in Sri Sukta, you see, Dhanam Agnir, Dhanam Vayu, Dhanam Suryo, Dhanam Vasu, Dhanam Indro, Varunaha, Dhanam Asnute. So Dhanam. Therefore, Amma has become Dhana Lakshmi. So Dhana Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Ella Lakshmis are there. In Vaiswadevam, which is an important thing which one has to perform, a Gruhastha has to perform Vaiswadeva, and then only he should eat. That is what our Vedic Sampradaya, which many Srotriyas even today do it. So Vaiswadevam is the last Agni appeasement, and after Vaiswadeva only they take food. So now Vaiswadeva mantras are found in Mahanarayana Upanishad. So when you come to the Mahanarayana Upanishad, you come to that, probably an article would come forth on Vaiswadevam. Vaiswadeva, that's what's got, we have got Brahma Yajna and Vaiswadevam. They go hand in hand for in our religious program. So we are got to be Ayvayaggum Syama Patayorayinam. Rayinam Pati. Rayi andre ondu alla. Godrej birva yi sampada. Your car is sampada. Your house is sampada. Your makkalu sampada. So yaru nim salary ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೋ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌದಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದಾರ. ಅದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನಂದ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ನೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ರೈ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 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 ಅಂತ ರೈಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಧಿಪತಿಗಳಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಪಿತೃದೇವತೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಶನಿಗ್ರಹ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ our responsibility as bhutas, we have to also take care of the pretas. 3 generations, great grandfather, grandfather and father. So these 3 generations are still connected to us. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಶರೀರ, ಕಾರಣ ಶರೀರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So only when ಸ್ಥೂಲ ಶರೀರ goes, you don't think that they are up here. No, they will be constantly also watching, and they will be blessing also. What people cannot do while living, when they are dead, they will do a lot of things very quickly. That's what is the belief. So asida angirobhi pitrubhi samvidana. So angiras and pitrus, they will contact and give them that kind of elevation to Pitru Devasa also. Not only that, Atva mantra kavishaha tva vahantve rajan. So ಈ ಆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಹಂತು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆವಾಗ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಉಪಸರ್ಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಉಪಸರ್ಗವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಹಂತು ಹೇ ರಾಜನ್. ಸೊ ರಾಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಶನಿದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರಹಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಶನಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಹಾರಾಜರಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಸ್ ಪುರಾಣ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್, he had to go through lot of trouble, lot of effort. Ultimately he was declared as a Maharaja. Therefore even today he has been very well appreciated as Shani Maharaja. No graha is Maharaja among 9 planets, only Shani. Maharaja ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಜ್ಞೆ, ರಾಜನ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಉಲ್ಲಂಘಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಾಜಾಜ್ಞ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್. Therefore ಹೇ ರಾಜನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಕವಿಶಃ ಮಂತ್ರಾಹ ತ್ವಾ ಆವಹಂತು. ಕವಿಶಃ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್, ಸೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಅರ್ಥ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಏನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಜಟ್ಕ ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಏನು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಂತ್ರ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಜಯತ್ಯಜ ಬಲೋ ರಾಮೋ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣಶ್ಚ ಮಹಾಬಲಃ ರಾಜ ಜಯದ ಸುಗ್ರೀವೋ ಅಂತ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯನ್ನ, ರಾಮನನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ನಮೋಸ್ತು ರಾಮಾಯ ಸ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣಾಯ ಅಂತ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ, ಸೀತಾದೇವಿಗೆ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನಿಗೆ, ಆ ಇಂದ್ರನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಟುಕ್ ಆಫ್. ನಮೋ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ರುದ್ರೇಂದ್ರ ಯಮ ಅನಿಲೇಭ್ಯ, ರುದ್ರನಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಯಮನಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಅನಿಲಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಸೊ ಅಗ್ನಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ದೇವತೆಗಳ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಟುಕ್ ಆಫ್ into the sky. So like that here also, what is that? Kavishaha taha mantraha, taha mantraha. So all those mantras tvam ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಹವಿಷಾ ಮಾದಯಸ್ವ. ಮಾದನ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಂದ, ಶನಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಂದ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಮಾದ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾದನ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡಲ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಡುಕ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, 2 kinds of things are there. ಯಜುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿದವನಿಗೆ 2 ಗತಿಗಳಂತೆ. ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ you get the, I can give you the reference in Sukraveda, you get the impression that those people who are drunk, there is only ದ್ವೇ ಗತಿಹಿ ಅಂತ, 2 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ಬದ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಹುತಿಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಂದ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಮಂದನಾಗಿರುವ ಶನಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಗ್ರಹವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶನಿ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗಿನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡವನು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಡಿಲೇ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ನಲಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ, ಪಾಪ ಅವನು ಕಾತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಶನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ತೆ, he entered into the body of Nalchakravarti and gave such a drastic devastation and ruining, and ultimately it was realized even that Takshaka also just bites and make him completely dark. So ella Nalacharitra is written, so many people have written Damayanti, Nalacharitra. There are kavyas, there are puranas, Nalopakhyana, Karkotaka. That's why anybody who is having that kind of difficulty, that Shani and ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರ್ಕೋಟಕಸ್ಯ ನಾಗಸ್ಯ ದಮಯಂತ್ಯಾನಲಸ್ಯ ಋತುವರ್ಣಸ್ಯ ರಾಜರ್ಷೇಃ ಕೀರ್ತನಂ ಕಲಿನಾಶನಂ ಶನಿನಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ಶನಿಯ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಹಾದೇವತರನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶನಿಗ್ರಹ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಕಲಿದೋಷ, ಶನಿ ದೋಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಸೇ ರಾಜನ್ ಮಾದಯಸ್ವ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್, rejoice with our habits and all that. Then we make the prayer that the Mula Mantra tells you that. What is that? Just complete it with that. Om Chayatmanaya Vidmahe Neelavarnaya Dhimahi Sauri Prachodayatu. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಛಾಯಾತ್ಮನಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ ನೀಲವರ್ಣಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ಶೌರಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್.
ತನ್ನಃ
ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್.
So these are all the three key words of Shanigraha. One, you have to remember the name of the mother. Anybody will be happy if you start praising the mother. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಿಮ್ ತಾಯಿನಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಳು ಅಂತ ತಾಯಿ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷವೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷನೇ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್. That's why Anjaneya is called Anjananandanam Veeram. The very first word is Anjananandanam because there is no replacement for mother. So he lives 9 months. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ 9 months ಮದರ್ ವೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಗರ್ಭವಾಸ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾನೋ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ, ಮೇಲೋ ಫಿಮೇಲೋ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಂಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ, ಆತುರ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಜೀವಿ 9 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾನೋ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ ಈ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 9 monthsಗೆ 90 yearsಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಅದು ಝೀರೋನೇ. ಸೊ ಮಂತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಸಡಿಸೇ ಇರುವ ಅವ್ರ ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಮಹಾನ್ ಭಾವರು. ಸೊ 9 months ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ 90 years ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೋಕ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿವೆ, ನೌ ವಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಛಾಯಾ ಆತ್ಮ. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಆತ್ಮ ಆಫ್ ಛಾಯಾ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಛಾಯಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮದರ್. ಛಾಯಾತ್ಮನಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫೆಲೋ? ನೀಲವರ್ಣಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Because Neelatva, blue stone is really great. You know, ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಲಹರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಹುಷಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಲಕೂಟ ವಿಷವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕೈಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮೇಲೆ put it in your tongue. Not only you put in tongue, but also you took it to the throat. You deposited in the throat. How dare you are? You never cared, because if you split it out, the world will die. If you take it, you will die. You never sent it to stomach. Therefore, the whole area where that Kalakuta Visham were arrested, the whole became blue money, Neela money. So you have no abharanam, but you have Neela money as abharanam. Are you fond of the blue stones? Anta ಉತ್ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 33rd or 34th stanza of ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಲಹರಿ, which I explained in the last class. probably our Seshachalaya will put it. You just listen to my explanation. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಲಮಣಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಶನಿಗ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ನೀಲವರ್ಣ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥೇನು, he will grab all the sins of all people and he will make them pure. ಶಂ ಅಗ್ನಿಹಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್, ಶಂ is pure. So ಶನಿಗ್ರಹ will give you that kind of elevation life. In fact, ಶನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ they will be also wonderful ತ್ಯಾಗೀಸ್ and viragis and sannyasis. Shani, Ravi, they are most important philosophical Vedanta grahas. They will be able to give us that kind of vairagya and moksha praptiಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀಲವರ್ಣಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೌರಿಹಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್. ಸೊ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ತಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರಿಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷ. So that's why Tanno Aditya, even Surya Bhagavan also kept Amma's name. All gods have different names, but Surya Bhagavan put himself as the name Aditya. So Adityaya vidmahe sahasrakaranaya dhimahi Surya prachodayat. Aditya only becomes differently manifested. To say that his son Sauri prachodayat. So Shani is taken as Sauri, as Surya Putra. And on his grace, Anugraha should be there. So I think with these words we can stop, and we'll go to next grahas. I never imagined that one hour we'll go with our Shani graha, and we'll invoke the blessings of Shani and see that all impediments, all obstructions, all health, all COVID-19, no vaccine has come, should disappear, and see that people move without any mouth mask, without mask. Om Swasti.